Efficiency Unleashed, our material flow and production floor, layout, designing services. In the world of manufacturing and production, the layout of your facility can make all the difference between inefficiency and productivity. At Multibiz Solutions, we specialize in offering comprehensive material flow and production floor layout designing services that optimize your workspace, streamline processes, and empower your business with a competitive edge. Why choose our material flow and production floor layout designing services? Expertise. Our team of seasoned experts brings a wealth of experience in industrial design and production floor optimization. We combine industry knowledge with creative thinking to deliver layouts that maximize efficiency. Customized solutions. We understand that every manufacturing facility is unique. Our services are tailored to your specific production processes, equipment, and goals, ensuring that you receive layouts that align with your vision. Operational excellence. We focus on creating layouts that enhance operational efficiency, reduce bottlenecks, and improve overall productivity, helping you save time and resources. Cost reduction. Our layouts are designed to minimize waste, reduce material handling costs, and optimize resource allocation, resulting in significant cost savings. Safety is a top priority. We design layouts that prioritize employee safety and adhere to industry safety standards, reducing the risk of accidents and improving workplace morale. Our range of material flow and production floor layout designing services. Production floor layouts. We create optimized production floor layouts that consider the placement of machinery, workstations, and material flow to streamline production processes. Material handling systems. We design efficient material handling systems that minimize transportation time, reduce errors, and enhance the flow of materials within your facility. Lean manufacturing implementation. We can help you implement lean manufacturing principles into your facility, including 5S methodology and just-in-time JIT production. Warehouse and storage layouts. Our services extend to the design of warehouse and storage layouts that maximize space utilization and improve inventory management. Automation integration. We explore opportunities for automation and robotics integration to enhance production efficiency and reduce labor costs. Unlock efficiency and competitiveness. In the highly competitive world of manufacturing, a well-optimized production floor layout can be a game changer. With Multibiz Solutions material flow and production floor layout designing services, you gain a partner dedicated to helping you achieve operational excellence. Whether you're looking to streamline production, reduce costs, or enhance safety, our expertise can transform your facility into a hub of efficiency and productivity. Contact us today, and let's embark on a journey toward a more efficient and competitive future. Your operational success is our priority. Please subscribe this channel to know more about our services and discount deals announced frequently. Thanks for watching this video. Let's start your project now.